did say that I was going to play this every week on Thursday, but I changed my mind. It's because I didn't really know what game to play. Great. Don't ask again. Not welcome to Copenhagen. Okay. If you don't know what Copenhagen is, it's the capital of Denmark. Yeah, alright. Can I just play it? There's loads of games like this, but this was the first one, I'm pretty sure. And like I said, it's extremely fun. Speed. Okay, you can actually go under that. Apparently that was like a surface that you could. Okay, then I suppose. Okay. Another one. The jetpack is kind of difficult to control. Well, it looks really hard to control, but it's quite easy to control. You see what I mean? Oh, okay. That was close. Oh, it's going different. Oh no! Oh no! You gotta play it safe, guys. No! Oh. There it goes. Nice. Yeah. Oh my god, did you hear that? That was a nostalgic thing. Oh my god, I haven't played this game in like 4 years. Okay, maybe it was like 2 years. PG's a lot of trains. I'm pretty sure this game is infinite. There's like a generator, or you can just clear it. Oh no, I kind of missed the timing. We're still good. It's just when we make one small mistake, we'll get it. Nice. Okay. We just need to do it. Oh, and you got me. Haha. No! No, what? Oh. I'm just watching now. So. Okay. Yeah. Oh god, this one's extremely fast. Give me that money. Let's just try to play it more safe. thought it was going to be a high score. Yeah, we can just watch an ad though. Okay, ready? Honestly, you should just forget about it. Honestly, it's just graffiti. It's not that bad of a crime, right? Okay. Sure, just don't do it. You'll be in jail for a while. Like a few years, maybe. Like a year or so. I don't know. I don't know about prisons yet. How have we not even got 1,000 coins? Now we watching ads. No way! No way! We played this game. Why are we being advertised? OMG, guys. Oh, I feel like this is gonna be a trap. I have the game. I am so triggered. Honestly, the graphics look a bit better. It's actually letting me install it. No. I already have it. I think it should, maybe it should remind me to play it. Oh wait, it's not a bit different. Expecting us to get a jetpack. No. I don't know what that J means. Oh, okay, yeah, give me this. Oh god, this one's really frustrating a lot of times. No! No, it lags. Ah! I missed one here. Oh god, trains at rapid speed! Oh! No, it went so far. Let's just